first time ever.
Appalling act of terror.
We are ready to engage with a two-state solution.
Some of his most senior cabinet members.
The drivers of a new economic age.
A Chinese-made missile, the PL-15E, fired by Pakistan, was shot down by the Indian Air Force, and the world took notice. Now, on May 9th, during ongoing border tensions, Pakistan launched a PL-15E missile from a JF-17 fighter jet. But India's advanced air defense systems, including the powerful S-400 and indigenous Akash-Tir, intercepted it mid-air. Now, what's the historic? This was the first time a PL-15E was successfully neutralized in combat. The Indian Air Force displayed the wreckage in a press briefing, and now defense giants like France and Japan, along with Five Eyes nations, US, UK, Australia, Canada, and New Zealand, are showing serious interest in studying the debris. Now, why the global interest? Because the PL-15E is one of the Chinese most advanced air-to-air missiles, fast, long-range 200 to 300 km, and guided by cutting-edge AESA radar technology. It was designed to challenge Western missiles like the American AIM-120 and the European Meteor used by India on its Rafale jets. But India just took it down. That changes everything. For India, this is not just a tactical win, it's a strategic gold mine. The recovered parts could help decode China's missile tech and even offer insights for building better defenses. Now, why France and Japan especially are curious? France, because its Meteor missile is a direct competitor to this PL-15 Echo. They want to compare tech and prepare and then upgrade. Japan, with growing tensions in Indo-Pacific, Japan is again looking to boost its air defense. Understanding Chinese missile capabilities helps them for future proof their systems. Now, meanwhile, China is already working on the next version, the PL-17, with longer range and artificial intelligence based guidance, pushing the world deeper into an era of high-tech aerial warfare. Now, what this means for India? Operation Sindoor was a big test and India passed all the tests, but certainly there's a warning: the threat will not only grow. There's a pressing need to scale up the domestic missile tech and build smarter, faster, AI-driven air defense systems. Now, this missile interception is not just a battlefield movement, it is a geopolitical signal. India is no longer just reacting, it's leading. That's all from my side in this video. I'll see you in the next video. Jai Hind and Jai Bharat.